As far as 1,200 square meters.
Yeah, square feet.
Yeah.
Square feet, isn't it?
Square meters.
Square
Yeah.
meters.
Yeah.
We have 4 machines for shafts, tips, conversion points, and for the actual tungsten darts we're looking at 4 profile machines. We have milling machines, 4 milling stations, and approximately 7 other machines to do other parts on the darts. Generally wouldn't give you that completely to give you so that you're telling everybody what our capacity is.
That's true. But if you can,
no, I wouldn't give you the full amount. We can do thousands of. We can move from capacities as we need to react to customers. So our capacity is unlimited at what we can achieve. We don't generally give our customers. I won't give you the exact figure, but it's lots. We've been in China, been involved in China for quite a few years, but we purchased and started our own factory back in
this factory 2010.
2010 in this particular factory. Target's been making darts within our UK factory before, since 1973. You mean the standard operating procedures?
That's right.
Yeah. Well, that's what we run here. We run ISO and we run a standard operating procedure, and it's a process that we follow.
So what ISO 9001?
So it's ISO 9001 that we run with, but we have run standard operating procedures that are QC control. And that's followed throughout the factory as we process the darts from start to finish. So from receiving the raw tungsten to starting the manufacturing and the processing, and as we go along to the finished dart and then the finished package. Well, the future plans have been already as we're going along. We've invested huge amounts of money within the last 2 years on improving our machines and improving the technology of our machines. We're only just beginning to exercise what we can do on those machines, but there's an exciting future ahead as we design products that can be made on our different 5-axis machines and stuff that we purchased. So it's quite exciting times for us for the future. Hopefully, we are continuing to help improve all Japanese players out there, and we're fulfilling their dreams with our dreams. I don't know, I mean, what I'm trying to say is that as we've moved forward and with Japanese design base within our office in Japan that you look after, we've been able to start to fulfill ambitions of Japanese players and giving them the product that will improve their games. Our aim really is to start and to keep moving that forward. So we're giving the Japanese players products that they're proud to own and use. For me, the most important point is the balance of the dart. Designs and grips are very important, but for me the ultimate is making sure the dart flies through the air with the perfect balance for me. I like to innovate with grips, but as I say, balance, most important part. With the designs, it's understanding the engineering. As a qualified toolmaker myself, it's understanding what a machine is capable of producing before you can actually invent the design. So you have to have an understanding of cutters, all the axes to understand what profiles and things you can actually put onto a barrel.
And you actually come to China a few times a year to study all the
I do, yeah. I study the machines, but also I actually use a software CAD system to draw and design barrels up, and that CAD system feeds straight into our new machines. So when we design a barrel, it actually programs straight in to the machine. There's so many to choose from that we've made lately. It's sometimes the more simple barrels I love, balance-wise and design and grips. I'm particularly very happy with the new Phil Taylor G3. The balance for me and the way the dart flies through the air is the ultimate for me. My message to all the Japanese players that are buying our target product, that design, is that hopefully we and myself as a company continue to deliver the darts that are perfect for each player to throw.
どうも星野光正です。タッタラタラタタタッタッタ。あ、気持ちいい。シャフトってこうできるんですね。ありがとうございます。あったっけ？できた。これ欲しいの？変わらずKよ。ありません。一緒でしょ。ずっとやったら怒られるわ。焦ってる感半端ねえんですけど早くやれ
プレッシャーかけちゃってる
自分がダーツ始めて丸11年、ね、当たり前のように使ってたバレルっていうものがどういうふうにできてるかっていうのがそう削られてる工程だったりどういうふうな動きで、ね、製品にもたどり着いてるとか、ね、そうこういうふうにしたかったんだっていうものが数反映して返ってくるっていうのでなかなかこの工場に来たことがすごい良かったです。